the guilt-free guide to convenient cooking. Let's talk about that already prepared packet of lentils sitting in your fridge. You know, the ones you bought instead of cooking dried lentils from scratch? Yeah, those. Time to ditch the guilt and embrace the convenience. Point 1. The real cost of cooking. Sure, those pre-cooked lentils might be twice the price of their dry counterparts, but at $3 a pop, they're hardly breaking the bank. More importantly, they're actually making it into your meals instead of languishing in your pantry. And isn't that the whole point? Point 2. Convenience, your secret kitchen weapon. We've all heard the stereotypes about pre-chopped veggies and ready-made meals being for the lazy or the culinary challenged. But let's be real. Convenience is a game changer in the kitchen. There's a reason meal kit subscriptions are booming, and it's not because we've all suddenly forgotten how to cook. Point 3. There is no right way to feed yourself. Here's a revolutionary idea. Any strategy that results in you nourishing your body in a somewhat cost-effective manner is a valid one. That means buying pre-diced onions? Go for it. Onion chopping videos got you confused? Tears streaming down your face every time you try? Outsource that labor without shame. The same goes for any other ingredient. Have you ever wrestled with a butternut squash? It's like trying to peel a boulder. If buying pre-prepped squash means you'll actually eat it instead of ordering takeout again, then that extra cost is money well spent. Point 4. Time is money and sanity. In our productivity-obsessed world, even something as basic as feeding ourselves can feel like a luxury we can't afford. But remember, you need food to be productive in the first place. Convenience products help you strike that balance. Use them. Point 5. It's food, not a beauty pageant. Social media might have us believing every meal needs to be Instagram-worthy. Let's get real. Purpose of food is to fuel you and hopefully bring some joy to your day. If pre-washed lettuce and bottled dressing get a salad on your plate, that's a win, regardless of how it looks. And lastly, point 6. Kitchen, your rules. At the end of a long day, how you choose to make dinner is nobody's business but your own. Does it reflect on your skills, your work ethic, or your value as a person? You don't need to justify why you don't want to peel a pineapple or make your own pasta sauce. So, the bottom line is this. Eating at home is almost always healthier and more budget-friendly than eating out, even if you're not buying the cheapest version of every ingredient. So go ahead, buy the pre-cooked lentils, the bagged salad, and the frozen veggies. These aren't just shortcuts. They're pathways to healthier eating habits, and ultimately, a happier you. Remember, in the grand scheme of things, you're just going to poop it out later anyway. Might as well make the journey there as stress-free as possible.